Ma'am, do you want me to call you an ambulance?
No, I don't want you to call me an ambulance.
Okay.
That's an insult.
Okay, I'm just wondering. You look like you might be having a panic attack or some anxiety.
I don't want you to call me an ambulance.
Okay, no problem.
I want you to call.
Do you have your driver's license, your registration, your insurance, ma'am?
That was an insult.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily, eye-opening videos that give you real insight into the law, police encounters, and how to protect your rights on the road. Today's traffic stop gets real tense, real fast. Officer Stephanie Wilson pulls over a woman for speeding, but what starts as a routine ticket quickly turns into a confusing, emotional roller coaster. Will the officer's calm professionalism hold up, or will this driver's frustration push things over the line? Let's dive in.
Hi, ma'am.
And I just let her out to walk to school. My name's Stephanie Wilson Muhammad. I'm on the school board. I'm a community member of this town. I'm sorry if I was speeding.
Yes, you were speeding. That's why I'm stopping you.
I didn't realize that I was speeding.
You're doing 37 and a 25.
I'm very sorry.
Okay, do you have your driver's license, registration, your insurance, ma'am?
I have it all, but
Okay.
Can she get out and walk to
Sure,
school?
that's no problem.
Now, I'm so sorry. I hate and then my other daughter has to get to school and she's going to be late.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just try to get you out of here as quickly as I can, okay?
And I'm scared of cops because you guys hurt black people. Please, just get out of the car and go away. And let me get this over.
Ma'am, do you want me to call you an ambulance?
No, I don't want you to call me an ambulance.
Okay.
That's an insult.
Okay, I'm just wondering. You look like you might be having a panic attack or some anxiety.
Call me an
okay, no problem.
I want you to call.
Do you have your driver's license, your registration, your insurance, ma'am?
That was an insult.
Okay.
Just go. Dad is on a plane. Don't call Dad. I'm sorry you have to walk. Can you call Justice and tell her that she's going to be late to park? Can you call the middle school and let them know that my daughter
No, I
is
cannot.
late for park? I love you. I'm not seeing my driver's license. I have a driver's license. Can you look at my driver's license? Because I'm not seeing it.
So you're telling me that you don't have your driver's license?
I'm telling you that I don't.
Okay, do you have your insurance card, ma'am?
Are you Maplewood Cop?
No, ma'am. South Orange.
South Orange, great. I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
call Sheena right now.
Okay. Ma'am, this is expired. Do you have the new one?
Okay, pause right there. This is where things start to break down. The driver clearly panics, fumbling with expired documents, and that's a huge legal red flag. In most US states, failing to provide valid proof of insurance on the spot isn't an arrestable offense, but it is a mandatory summons, meaning the officer must issue a citation under Traffic Code Procedure 316.646. What's interesting here is the officer's restraint. She's staying calm, even as the driver spirals into anxiety. But let's be honest, how many of you think this woman's nervousness just made things worse? Would you have kept your cool in this situation? Drop your answer in the comments.
I don't see the new one.
Okay.
I'm freaked out right now.
Okay, just sit tight for me, okay?
And I just called her. She's on the other line.
Ma'am, you can
Talking to my husband.
Okay, you can just put that back in the car, ma'am. I saw when you were hanging out the window. You didn't need to keep your arm out the window the
I
entire time.
wanted you to know that I had
Okay.
my driver's license.
Okay. Are you sure you're okay to drive, ma'am?
I'm okay to drive. My child is at home and she has parked today, and
Okay.
I need to get her to school.
Okay, well, I'll get this done as quick as possible, okay, ma'am? Here's your driver's license and the expired registration card. Excuse me, the registration and the insurance card, okay? Ma'am, I wrote you a summons for the speed. I also issued one for failing to have a valid insurance card in your possession, okay? What you're going to do with that summons is a mandatory court appearance, because what they're going to need to do is make sure that you had insurance on the date and time that you were stopped. Okay, the only thing they're going to do is just check.
Tell him I can send you your insurance card.
He will send the insurance
The
card.
ticket's already written, ma'am. So what you can do is...
That doesn't make any sense. If
okay.
my husband is telling you right now, because for me to have to go to court, now you want me to go to court? I don't want to go to court. I have insurance. He can text you a picture of it right now.
Okay, ma'am, the ticket's already written. I can't void a summons once it's already written.
I'll call Sheena.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to do that, ma'am.
Skinhead cop chief, too.
Okay. Ma'am, if you have any other questions, reference the court date, maybe you can't make it, just call this number up top, speak to our court administrator. They'll work with you as far as scheduling another date for you, okay, ma'am? Do you have any questions for me? They'll work with you as far as scheduling another date for you, okay, ma'am?
And that's how this one wraps up a perfect example of procedure versus perception. Officer Wilson followed protocol, a speeding citation and a summons for missing insurance proof, both required under state traffic enforcement policy. Now here's the real takeaway: police officers aren't allowed to let it slide once they start writing a summons. It's bound by statute, not personal judgment. That's why she couldn't void the ticket, even though she handled it with patience and professionalism. This stop is a reminder that keeping calm, prepared, and respectful can save you from bigger trouble down the line. If you found this scene as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to UK Cop Hub for more real cop cam breakdowns where we expose the facts, the law, and the truth behind every badge. Stay sharp and stay informed.